Oh my goodness, appreciation moment for the cheese. Oh, this gnocchi dish. Now, 1, it uses chicken breast, which I would never usually advise to do. 2, it uses store-bought gnocchi, but both of those things in this dish with this sauce and this cheese. Let's do it, my friends. Let's make my weeknight fire chicken gnocchi. I'm going to start with the first problem child ingredient here, and that is the chicken breast. So you guys know I'm a legs and thighs girl, but I have a solution here for making the chicken breast amazing, and that is this marinade. So start off with some gochujang, and this is just Korean fermented chili paste. It looks like this, so that's what you're looking for in your supermarket. It kind of has like a smoky chili flavor. It's beautifully red without being too spicy. Now, in that vein, I am also going to add some chili powder. This is called gochugaru, so it's a Korean chili powder. If you can't get a hold of this, you could also just use any chili powder or flakes that you have at home and maybe add some sweet paprika for the color. I'm also going to add in some soy sauce, some vegetable oil, sugar, and some garlic. Mix all of that really well, and look at that color. Oh my goodness, so good. Now I'm using chicken breast, not usually what I would do, but the key is here to dice your chicken into roughly around about 3 centimeter cubes. Not too big, because then it won't cook in time, but not too small, because then it will dry out. Mix all of that together, and now we're ready to start cooking. Now the chicken and gnocchi section of the recipe happens in 2 stages. So we're going to do stovetop and in the oven. So turn your oven grill on high before you start your chicken. So heat up your pan, make sure it's oven safe, add in some oil, and then put in your chicken. And you just want to kind of sizzle the chicken gently. You don't want the chili paste to burn. So just keep it on a medium heat and sizzle until the chicken's just starting to color. Now you can add in a 1/4 cup of water, turn the heat down, put the lid on, and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Now in that time, you can cook your gnocchi. So let's talk about supermarket gnocchi for a minute. Now I'm all for a supermarket cheat, but I think you need to know how to deal with ingredients when they're not so good. So supermarket gnocchi, typically the gnocchi is quite heavy and dense, and this is the kind of thing that you're probably going to be getting usually in the fridge section of your supermarket. But with the right treatment, i.e. this sauce, you're going to trick yourself into thinking that this is the most beautiful gnocchi you've ever had. Trust me. All right, let's cook these guys. So have your water boiling, add your gnocchi in, and then cook according to your packet instructions. Every packet of gnocchi is different and has different cooking times. A really good telltale sign though is when your gnocchi starts to float to the top of your water and the water comes back to a boil. So at this point, I'm going to drain off my gnocchi and my chicken is ready. So I'm going to put it straight into the sauce. And here's where you need to be a little gentle. Just mix the gnocchi through the sauce, and then once it's all beautifully combined, then you can add in your cheese. And I mean a lot of cheese. I'm using grated mozzarella here, and you just want to sprinkle it all over the top. And this goes under your oven grill for around about 10 minutes or until you get this. It's cheesy, it's bubbly, it's golden brown, delicious. Oh my goodness, but we're not finished yet. A little bit of spring onion over the top here. And this, my friends, is your Korean fire chicken gnocchi. This is gonna be like the biggest cheese pool you've ever seen. Oh, look at that, oh my goodness.
Show me, bring it over here.
So good. Look at the steam and the cheese and the... sometimes I love my life. Is there anything more to say? I mean, that gnocchi is so beautiful. The sauce is just making it seem so interesting and spicy and yum. And let me get some chicken in here. I mean, yeah, it's not dry, it's beautiful. Molten cheese. Leave me alone now. Yum.